Happy New Year, everyone. Today's video is to showcase the new 2020 home decor trends for bedrooms. These are based from my previous vid I did on 2020 home decor trends, and they are linked here and below in the description box. I hope you are inspired to be creative and always be you. So as you see here, the warm white tones is a very easy trend to add in your bedroom. It gives it a warm and cozy feeling, especially when paired with warm metals such as gold accents. Another trend was the color by Deluxe called Tranquil Dawn. This color is so beautiful and calming. So if you're looking for a spa-like feel, then this color palette would definitely work for you. My next trend is one of my favorites called Moody Blues. It is inspired by Benjamin Moore's Colors of the Year. What I love about this, besides it being my favorite color, you can use a variety of shades of blue and different textures and bring it all together to achieve a really sophisticated look. As mentioned in my last video, the color mustard is a very popular color this year. As I said, you definitely see it through fashion, and as you see things in fashion, you will definitely see it in home decor. So as you see here, this is a really nice warm neutral palette that you can use in your bedroom as well. It just adds a level of warmth and sophistication to your space. Next, it's the color First Light by Benjamin Moore Paints. And as you see here, if you are a lover of pink, you will definitely love this color tone in your bedroom. You don't have to go all out and paint your walls, but you can just add something as simple as a throw or a pillow to add this soft touch of pink to your room. Alright guys, so next we want to talk about textures and prints that are going to stick around for 2020. Guys, this room is nothing but texture. I love this room. I love the leather headboard and the faux fur throw. Really love how they combine all of that together. Wallpaper is not going anywhere for 2020. Bigger, bolder wallpaper as you see here. I wouldn't go to this extreme, but I definitely love the color combination of this room. So stay on the lookout for bigger and bolder prints. So guys, did you know there's an actual trend called the unmade bed or the messy bed? I'm not sure how I feel about it, but let me know what you think below in the comments. But as you see here, there's definitely an art to making your bed look nice even though it's unmade. You definitely have to have nice quality sheets and bedding to really get that look. But guys, let me know what you think about this trend. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but let me know down below in the comments. Alright guys, that brings this video to a close. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you were inspired to be creative and always be you. So guys, thank you so much for your support throughout 2019, and I look forward to continue to grow with you in 2020. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe before you click out this video, and make sure that you hit the notification bell so you see the next video immediately when I drop it. Guys, thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.